We're going to get a break from this major widespread heat and humidity. We're going to see more in the way of storminess, including organized storms and some tropical activity as well. Tropical storm Isaias. Fun little Jamaican, Caribbean, Spanish name right there, shall we? Well, this guy's going to move out of the Atlantic towards Puerto Rico and the Caribbean over the next few days or so, maybe even making landfall in portions of Florida by next Sunday or so. This isn't a major threat. It's not super strong because it is impacting multiple areas of land, but should bring some rain to the south. And speaking of that, we have this system to contend with. This is bringing a decent amount of rain as it moves eastward out of Texas and Oklahoma. It'll move towards the Mississippi River Valley area. We also have a couple areas of rain and storms across the deep south into the southeast as well. Little high pressure in store for portions of the Great Lakes with just a few showers and storms there. So not much really off towards the west. The big focus is going to be across portions of the middle of the nation. There you go, St. Louis back into Knoxville, or Nashville mainly. And then across Jonesboro, across Louisville, and through the Ohio Valley as this slowly moves off towards the east, even stretching back towards the west. So if you do need the rain, which many areas still do, this is going to be some good news. Could even have some pretty strong thunderstorms that are associated with this complex. Besides the heat or the humidity, it's not going to be that warm, but a lot of heavy downpours are certainly possible. If you're south of the Great Lakes, the trends are certainly there for decent amounts of rain over the next 10 days or so. 3 of our main operational computer models showing well above average temperature, or I should say rainfall anomalies there, but a little bit drier across the northern portion of the nation. Continuing with the futurecast, more showers and thunderstorms possible for the Tennessee and the Ohio valleys as well. Some more moderate to heavier blips, not much in Texas. That'll kind of dissolve out, but this system could be more of like a closed off low and track up across portions of Cleveland and Buffalo into New England. This is a good thing. You need the rain up in New England. It's been very hot, very dry. So this could be a good sign. Multiple models have a similar type idea to that, and then tropical activity possible for the coastal areas as well. So you can kind of get a pretty good picture that this is not going to be a boring weather pattern. We're not going to see much out across the west, which isn't too crazy from normal, but back across the eastern half of the nation, definitely more active. It's kind of associated with this blocking pattern. We got high pressures here out across near each coast, and that's going to push below average height anomalies and also the chance for troughing across portions of the middle of the country into the Ohio and Tennessee valleys. That will bring occasionally cooler air at times, especially with these systems across the middle of the nation, well below average there. So these are your temperatures compared to average, and this is what I mean by that. Here's your chill, warm on either coast. The west is going to be fine, warm above average temperatures. But this is consistent near average to slightly below, and we did show you that green color there, which is significantly below going over the next couple weeks. Great Lakes, you're not going to be that chilly overall. So overall, we get a break, especially middle portion of the nation from the major heat. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you again next week.